The German Shepherd Dog, GSD, is one of the most recognizable, versatile, and popular dog breeds in the world. Originally bred in Germany for herding sheep, their intelligence, strength, and adaptability have made them the top choice for police, military, search and rescue, and family companionship. Here is a comprehensive breakdown of everything you need to know about the German Shepherd. 1. Physical characteristics. German Shepherds are large, athletic, and agile dogs with a distinct, muscular build. Size and weight. Males typically stand 24 to 26 inches, 60 to 65 centimeters, tall and weigh between 65 and 90 pounds, 30 to 40 kilograms. Females typically stand 22 to 24 inches, 55 to 60 centimeters, tall and weigh between 50 and 70 pounds, 23 to 32 kilograms. Coat and colors. They have a double coat, a thick undercoat, and a dense, harsh outer coat. While the black and tan variation is the most iconic, they also come in solid black, sable, bicolor, and all white, though white is not recognized by some kennel clubs for conformation shows. Distinct features: erect, pointed ears, a long muzzle, a strong jaw, and a bushy, low-hanging tail. 2. Temperament and personality. The ideal German Shepherd is poised, confident, and highly intelligent. Loyal and protective, they form an incredibly strong bond with their owners and are naturally protective of their family and territory. Aloof but not aggressive, a well-bred GSD is usually reserved with strangers. They do not make friends immediately, but once they accept you, they are fiercely loyal. High intelligence and trainability. They rank third in canine intelligence, behind border collies and poodles. They can learn tasks in very few repetitions and love having a job to do. High energy. These are working dogs that require a lot of physical exercise and mental stimulation to prevent boredom and destructive behavior. 3. History and origins. The founder, the breed was officially standardized in Germany in 1899 by Captain Max von Stephanitz. He wanted to create an ideal German herding dog that was intelligent, physically capable, and utility-driven. Evolution of roles. As industrialization reduced the need for herding dogs, von Stephanitz promoted the breed for police and military work. They served heroically in World War I and World War II as messengers, rescue dogs, and guards. 4. Common roles and occupations. Because of their high trainability and courage, German Shepherds excel in professional fields. K9 units, police and military, used for tracking criminals, detecting narcotics/explosives, and apprehension. Search and rescue, SR. Their keen sense of smell and endurance make them excellent at finding missing persons after natural disasters. Service and therapy. They serve as guide dogs for the blind, assistance dogs for the disabled, and emotional support animals. 5. Health and lifespan. Lifespan. On average, a healthy German Shepherd lives between 7 to 10 years. Common health issues. Due to their size and breeding history, they are prone to certain hereditary conditions. Hip and elbow dysplasia. Malformation of the joints that can lead to arthritis or lameness. Bloat, gastric torsion, a life-threatening condition where the stomach fills with gas and twists. Degenerative myelopathy, DM, a progressive neurological disease affecting the spinal cord. Exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, EPI, a condition where the pancreas doesn't produce enough digestive enzymes. 6. Care and maintenance requirements. Exercise. They need at least 1 to 2 hours of vigorous exercise daily. Running, fetching, agility training, or long hikes. Grooming. They are affectionately nicknamed German Shedders. They shed constantly, and twice a year they blow their undercoat. Heavy seasonal shedding. Daily brushing is highly recommended. Training. Early socialization and consistent obedience training are mandatory. Because of their size and strength, an untrained German Shepherd can become difficult to manage or overly aggressive. Summary. The German Shepherd is an elite all-purpose dog. If you can provide them with consistent training, plenty of exercise, and a clear role within your pack, they are one of the most rewarding, loyal, and capable companions you will ever own.